Hello, beautiful friends. This is the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. We are doing the new week's chakras readings. So I do the root on Monday and then I follow through till Sunday where we crown it with the crown chakra reading. So there's one per day. They're just little mini readings, like 2 or 3 cards. And they're really about attuning our chakras for their highest functionality. I also bring in the higher realm chakras and the ones associated with the earth to bring in the energies and help fortify and evolve our sort of more familiar chakras, which is the Ascension process is what I call the chakras. So for each one, I ask a question, and we will be asking one for our root here, and it is, how can I feel supported, connected, and safe in my body to know that I am grounded in pure spirit? And our first card out is worthiness, and its affirmation is, I feel worthy and have very special talents that will help me to achieve my dreams. I feel worthy and have very special talents that will help me to achieve my dreams. And to support this card from the Earth Hearts Chakra, we will have another message from the Mother Mary Oracle. And today we have Our Lady of Manifest Miracles. We may think of miracles as special, out of the ordinary occurrences, yet Mother Mary teaches us that the miraculous is meant to happen every day. It already does. If only we had the eye of the heart open enough to see it, we would be sent into states of rapture at how marvelous divine creation is, at how extraordinary is the creativity that unfolds in every moment of our lives, and how miraculous intervention happens through divine grace. Subtly and yet inevitably, grace brings this person and that person together. It weaves the synchronicity into that, which leads into another amazing moment of creation. Endlessly, the miracles of creation build upon each other in exquisite patterns of divine love simply happening. We can be fearful of not being in control of it, of not knowing how it is going to work itself out, or we can be in awe and trust and choose to surrender to the flow of the Mother's grace. So vast is the scale of divine intelligence unfolding in perfect plan upon the earth, our mind might become overwhelmed and challenged by what is essentially unfathomable to any other than the trusting heart that needs no explanation. No matter how we choose to look at things to respond, life itself, including the miraculous manifestations of the Divine Mother, continues. This oracle brings a special message also, that it is time now to put your spiritual principles to the test. It is time to rely on them completely as a way to live and move in the world. It is not only safe to do this, but the only way to really allow her miraculous love to manifest through you. Doing this will mean that all that is destined to be born through you this lifetime can then be. You are being blessed by the Holy Mother, empowered by her, and asked to trust completely in her grace. Thank you, and please join me tomorrow. I will be doing the sacral chakra reading. Take care, stay blessed.